Estes Park receives 4 million visitors every year. You wouldn't know it up here, though. Nestled at over 8,000 feet, deep in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, is a land of magic. And up here, you're never just renting a hotel room. You're immersed in a land that time forgot. McGregor Mountain Lodge isn't just out of town and close to the less congested Fall River entrance of Rocky Mountain National Park. It's surrounded by it. So while you're here, you might forget to go in at all. Limited to only 19 units, McGregor Mountain Lodge is more than just comfortable. It's wild. So bring your camera and live on the edge of one of our nation's crown jewels. Experience wildlife right outside your door. And live out the wild wanderlust dream of a lifetime. Only at McGregor Mountain Lodge.